Dirt Track Dave here again with another informative dirt late model tech tip video. Today we're going to be talking about bird cages. One thing that is an overlooked maintenance area and one reason why you should maintenance it. But before we get to that, if you're not a subscriber, I would be glad to have you. So click the icon in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you can keep up with all the future content as I put it out. But without further ado, let's get into this video and talk about some birdcage issues.
So what's up? This is Dirt Track Dave here, another YouTube informative video here. We got the Ratchet doing a little maintenance work here. So, you know, I can't stress enough how important it is to maintenance your vehicles, your race cars. So Ratchet took this birdcage apart. Take this thing apart now. So we're getting it tore apart here. You can still already see the cracked bearing. You know, we knew it was locked up half stiff, but you know, birdcage bearings are something that's heavily overlooked. You know, you can get some brand new birdcage bearings here, or you can go real crusties like these things. Oh, crusty. Oh, nice.
That's young. Look at that. That's a piece of bearing.
Yeah, it's a piece of bearing.
What is that?
That's how old these cars are. Or this that's how old these bearings are. Seal, bearings.
Oh, you're about dirt, man. There ain't even any grease in there.
Yeah, so we ordered these. You know, ordered these from PPM here. We don't know where these come from or who made them. We just know that's on here. Yeah, seal, inner bearing. But that's why you always check your stuff, man. Yeah, or if you keep your stuff up, like, you know, Landon's got this one all tuned up and ready to go, cleaned up, versus the other side here, left rear. But got everything, made it up nice. Slides on. That's how it should do. Spin it. Slide on, spin. All the way around. Yeah. Yeah. Should be fluid. No resistance. So you can hear these bearings. That Landon took out. And a little quarter. New bearing. Then there's this bearing. I don't think it spins no more.
People don't realize the amount of load that bird cages have on them. They have load in several directions too, not just forward, but they have vertical load, they have side load, they have huge amounts of load. So it's very important to maintenance them to make sure that they're free moving and you're getting all the forces generated from your rear end going to the right places and not being lost in binds. You should take your 4 bars off and spin your bird cages about every 8 to 10 races roughly. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Maintenance is a big part of the sport. Races are won or lost in the shop. You can take yourself out of a race by not checking components or not running efficiently enough by letting stuff getting out of date, damaged, rusted like you've seen in this video. For all the guys that are struggling out there and need to get up front, just like this guy, I have a guide available now for sale. You can find a direct link to purchase it in the description below. My tuning guide is a no BS, 25 pages long, covers everything you could possibly encounter, whatever scenario it may be at the racetrack. If you have any questions, shoot me a message and I'll give you more information. Or you can direct message me via Facebook at Dirt Late Model Tech Tips. Link will also be in the description below.
Anyway, remember to like and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed it. And as always, drive hard, take care. We got this guy. We got the Ratchet. Get to work. Get to work.